Good morning, sixth graders.
Good morning, Mrs. Botello.
Okay. We've already read Probably Pistachio and talked about how probability runs in our lives day to day, such as how old am I is not a statistical question as it has an exact answer. But how old are the students in my school would be a statistical question because you're averaging them out. Since we've already read through Probably Pistachio, we will start by watching a YouTube video talking about probability. Let's go and start.
I really like that song.
Yeah, it's a neat song.
Okay, now that we've listened to the YouTube video, we're going to pick partners.
I'll be fine.
After everyone's been given a partner, you each will get two counters.
Okay.
One side has red and the other side is yellow. So each partner gets a set of two. And you can feel free to go around the room so that partners are spread out so you're not close to another set of partners. Before you begin, I want you to discuss with your partner what the options are for the two colored dice to come up.
Two red.
Two yellow. Then red, yellow, and red. Yeah, four.
Okay.
Four.
And what were your answers?
Four.
Which are?
Red, red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow,
to predict how many times you will have both counters come up the same. If you roll them 4 times, how many times will you have either yellow, yellow, or red, red?
2 or 3.
Okay, now go ahead and roll them 4 times and write down your answers.
Okay, I am done with them.
Okay. Yellow, red. Yellow, red. Red, yellow. And red, yellow.
Were your predictions right?
No,
That was more.
no, we didn't have any of them come yellow, yellow, and red, red.
Oh, as far as yeah. Okay, that's cool.
Normally, if we had another set of partners, I would have you compare your answers to your partner's answers. So go ahead and roll another 4 times to compare your 2 sets.
Yellow, red. Yellow, red. Yellow, yellow.
That's 4.
Okay.
We had it twice come up.
So compare those 2 sets of answers. And after you've looked at them, I want you to hypothesize again what you think it will come up if you rolled it another 4 times.
I think if you still have 2, that would be yellow, yellow, or red, red, don't you?
Yeah.
So go ahead and roll 4 times another set of 3.
Red, yellow.
So 12 times total.
Red, red. Yellow, red. Reds. Yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow. Red, yellow. Red, red. Red, yellow. Red, red. Red, red. Yellow, yellow.
So was your hypothesis right this time?
Well, on 2 of them, only on 1 of them, because then on 2 of them it came up 3 times that they were the same. The last 2 sets, but the first time we only had 2 red beds.
So you can come back to your seat as we've been spread out.
Okay.
And I want to discuss what you've learned from your experiment. So is there any rhyme or reason way to make it come up a red or a yellow? Or strictly both reds or both yellows?
No.
It's just random. You can't control it.
Do you think it's more likely to come up with the same color, with opposite colors, or is it an equal probability?
I think it's more equal probability that
Right.
it's gonna come up yellow, the same, both equal. So.
Yeah.
I think it's equal.
Do you think if we continue to roll or to shake them, that we would come up with a different answer?
We could if it kept coming up yellow, yellows, and red, red.
Do you think the probability would change?
I think it would increase the probability, possibly.
Now that we've gone through our lesson, I want you guys to take a test and remember back to probably pistachio that we've already read and trying to decide whether these questions are a statistical question based on variability or if it's not a statistical question. And then put your name at the top. No cheating.
Yeah.
Okay. We both seem to have a good grasp on what that whether it's a statistical question or not, and then based on variability. I'd like you guys to try the enrichment activity, which is just like what we did, except this time you guys will use 4 counters instead of 2. What do you think the probability is? How many times, if you roll it 4 times, do you think that you will have the dice come up all red or all yellow?
Oh, I don't think it's gonna happen very often.
Not before.
Not before, I don't think it's gonna increase it much. Let's try it. I think it's gonna be at least half, maybe. It's 1 or 2 times. Okay? Oh,
2 yellows, 2 reds. 3 yellows,